was even less than 700 million US dollars. Mills Mahama so Eurobond market. It's Eurobond market no yenya forex. Aside one kasano donor sika omode ba bilateral loans so eba ye ko Eurobond market. And na Eurobond market within a year ni age ye Eurobond market best a 5 billion ni $3 billion ni age sa $3 billion na dana na Akufo Addo ni age no eno ye Mills Mahama 8 years Eurobond omo ye do omo je but dana na Akufo Addo just a year ni age $3 billion ye Eurobond be a $3 billion ni akwaji cocoa syndicated loan e be a $2 billion na be a $5 billion eno no ube hu say July August September mu na ba na akwakogu Bank of Ghana forex mu eti eno na ekuta wo minor next year na ebeba no na kire say ye wo forex enough forex ye je bilateral loans ye wo cocoa syndicated loans ye sanso wo Eurobond eti forex ye woni bebre but efia from 2022 eba any ye close Eurobond market de ma Ghana for ye kwa Eurobond market because ye waka ye ntimi ntua 2022 any enya cocoa syndicated loan kwa na hwehwe kwa na enya yekwa no na ewo form eno 2022 enye cocoa syndicated loan na wo man Ghana ye koje ye me kai dollar koya kodu 17 cedis sa wo start na wo kan nkrofo ka ena entimu mbra NPP ye ka ena me ka dia besi asem so dollar koya kodu 17 cedis na abani ni any alternative because 2021 year 2022 ma ye ko Eurobond market ni ye nya bi amfa ma enti 2022 dollar koya kodu 17 cedis na NPP government Akufo Addo Bawumia any solution. The only alternative I know one say cocoa syndicated loan ebeba enti honorable Kwaju Oponkroma be kai say oh say first rent ni ba eniema be kɔ from ampa first rent ni ba ya pe na dollar no cedi ni free say appreciate ba appreciate na timi appreciate ya na drop ba na ekɔ na eba ya ye ni hu hanchu afa negotiation gidigidi butu ye kwa international be kɔ international monetary fund $3 billion ho conditionalities bebre After 2024 kra yakwa akope cocoa loan kra na ya mayei because ya hu akaye ntimi ntua so 2023 no Eurobond but yenya cocoa loan 2024 no Eurobond no cocoa syndicated loan eti abana wo ba no edie na wo ba beye oni ene forex bia wo ba bia even bilateral loans kura loan bia na 2024 kura no abani pese parliament kura approve ni akwaji bilateral loan kura ya it was even less than $300 million yen senti mi anka enti no NDC eni abre na NPP fo ka mo ba de na mo ba beye edie na mo ba beche edie no o maka se nkene NPP na NDC na waso a dollar no do 17 cedis amusu no enke turn 25 Ghana cedis and when you go for oil after you say forex no because of say BDCs ni koto petroleum product na ba pressure da sunti na yen for gold enkonkwaji oil mra ekoye ka from ekasika Bank of Ghana ye gold for oil ekoye ka susuro eka from ehun kontabuo wo honom senye gold border it is a name se gold board yade na se wo boka ye beka but se wo oppositioner be a responsible opposition leader my young say opposition na mo ye responsible do na wo man no ho because the idea say I was say Ghana ha ya kwa crisis mu dollar cost 17 cedis and Nana Akufo Addo eti NPP tiri mu pose dollar enko 25 cedis na wo munye bi nkan kire Ghana fo say na ye de yes no wo ye nipa bonini wo ye mambofo onwini Ghana ni hu yie because wo dwene Ghana ni hu yie a honorable Abena was asare honorable minority leader enkenne money be gia magana for say yenya microeconomic stability 2025 mufra bem na dollar was around 15 to 16 cedis dollar was more than me at 2020 January. Me name be buy me rate ya demand was more than 15 cedis. But since 2025 for mukoya dollar free as say dropping and mu 13 cedis da. Munya just say munya money jema Ghana for say. Yenya microeconomic stability, yenya enabling environment. Ya enyemetimia stabilize the Ghana for because situation na ye womu from 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 ebano. Ni enyemo mobo. Honorable Abena, you are the last person Ghana ha expect to say ye kasa about economy. Anything about economy say debt, economic crisis, and I say be institution be a scandal be, and I say bibia hey. Now we yet Honorable Ken Ofori Atta deputy. And yema a courso, and yema a see ewo Honorable Ken Ofori Atta bresono. Honorable Abena was say asare. Who defend even today policies, flip-flop policies, flip-flop policies, programs and we introduce here, e-levy, betting levy, other taxes, nuisance taxes, anyone can sell programs, policies are we introduce here, my mind is saying, today, Honorable Abena Osasari, who defended those policies, who justified those policies, who defended and justified those policies are and my Ghana economy had a crash here. Who defended, justify, and next see Honorable Abena Osasari will be defend, will be justify, will be defend, will be justify. Actually, the entire Ken Ofori Atta no dear Boakye Agyarko age loan. Or my any part as a summit here. HRB rant to my office, say, Antama, the here loaner, or beg grant to my Mrs. Send me one me call me bank. Kwecha ho kwakwaje where you bra letter bra obe grant e hwana makwakoje se menye bi enti anta ma be grant hwana makwakoje me kwaje ya miss nice sa ma ifia de oba ye dress e hwana makwagina boutique na ntade makeka tata so sa e hwana ma gwigs na makeka tata so sa me hunso na enkrofo nti na makwaje dan kakra na me yirimu 2 years na so na masa akọ bank na masa akọje na me hanso ya na me je ha na me di tua ha wo ye kohwini sana na ekoso andana na Akufo Addo na ye gi loan ebedi na ye nkogi loan invest ye loans ayaje no emu more than 80% na ye consumption ye gi loan ni ye disikani bi loan na ayaje ni bi ye di tua interest loan na ayaje ni bi ye di tua interest loan na ayaje ni bi na ye di consumption Honorable Abena Osasari mini so ye economist mini pass e ba no kontabuo no munisika semu a wa bi se oja today who defended justified those actions ya wa buy a take ya a destroy your mind who be justified the entire na was say pensioners bondholders e gina minister abonte so awiemu e bi kura e bi titi wheelchair mu ayetu who justify ya wo bi anim say actions amu take ya no na e greed e ya mo personal interest and the god board adawuruma forex e buso President John Dramani Mahamadu Bawumia nanu ya na mete ya say almost free senior school double track on person muguno eti World Bank facility $300 million be since our President Mahamadu Bawumia na mati loan akọ parliament ya mo kwa akọ dollars bronisi kaba since I maintain bilateral loans Eurobond ni ho Koko loan ni ho since our President John Dramani Mahamadu Bawumia I just last month I said this month and our parliament before the recess 2 loans Omo ye ho adwuma wo parliament eye NPP ni yase gold board wo hono mo na dollar enu 30 cedis eye NPP ni ya eye NPP ni kra ya se yan toto niema bum ene Ghana ha adwadifo mu to niema bum eye adwem bone ni atiri moden because won timi nka kire me say dollar cost 17 cedis ade ana fun wei wo to $1,000 yeah, $117,000 equal $1,000. Now we talk we say $1,000 17,000 and they 12,000 ya. I was sad idea way. The same rate na you use to pot. Edeba duty. Duty now you $2,000 ya. Now your best say 30 something there you say I drop your best say 24,000. Nene idea we na $1,000 and now turn be 1,000 and say 20,000 and then turn 27,000. Eye krono eye nipa bonisem eye wudie eye NPP agenda and I will execute because idea $1,000 I drop it ediaba best 12,000 untimi enton emuru se de na 17 wuton no eti wo mo tutu ne ma bum 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 no e ya dwem bone ena Dr. Bawumia Campaign mu ye evil and principalities enum gu krom ha sei mo mpe wo man ni ye na nkanya sanko senka ne ma ya tete ne ma so enka ye tete ne ma so mpa enka bo na ye beto ne 2025 no enka nu kwansa sa bo ne ye tum but dollar ko 11 na ko 12 na o mu tum ya to dollar from 70 by the antenna so, but still yet to Tony boom. The audacity say Obiano no was sacred Minister of State Finance or there at the BNDA or no Mamuna Kacha Ghana for say Mamma honorable Brown Sasa video no. Now and then my education ye Mamma honorable Sasa video and say I ready a Mamma na meant to us. The audacity say honorable say Abena asare ti won maka kire Ghana abusuafo ene ma bi kwaso wa Ghana ha say yanhwe ne yanka oman no de bekwa akogina no you don't have that moral right you lack that right madam. Whether you're a member of parliament, you are the chairperson of public accounts committee, that public accounts committee no krano, you don't even qualify to be on that committee. You don't. Video na ready am fanto sumami. Mo fa video no nto sumami ne enkoye nim.
Memu a ti mi anu ne yanka. Eji gon a e yankasa. Nti etwa se ye ka. Na yema omampanyin soso neni eba ne ho so e wo saa ne umei na ohwe kan be fa so a odi be si ano kwan edikan ha ye ntitu e ye gold board in sem na anu ya IMF article 4 program yo release busumi ya eka ana edi adanse die bebre e fi mabase die na minority ni kenyina e fa gold board ho se losses bebre e koso wo ho ai se sa ban twa ne ni hwe no se na e ye no kre wo hwe Bank of Ghana Boni beka so monkunta bu mu for 2025 your friend in financial statements no Bank of Ghana ka say sika omode bu a gold board ye adwuma omo bo ho ka no $214 million eno enkoda nchen aka na mienu na afe no abewiye no aban so sign ma gold board 4.5 billion Ghana cedis yankoti ne yankosha say na $240 million na Bank of Ghana ka say eye car omobo wo gold board no IMF say entisa crampo na ye 1.7 billion Ghana cedis which is equivalent to 22 billion Ghana cedis menuanu anes for any teacher for mugu fi am pese ye fam adwuma me kai say minister ne ka say oni sika 6 billion no ka so finances ni nyina say about 6 billion na sa sika ni bi eni ho ye de be fa nurses no na mu ye 22 billion de e wo hwa ye de be boka ye nya so ensihu bia na nso se mu nurses na nka ye fa mu a 6 billion yi ye di kan unemployment e peja ni mu adu 30% no na nka migidi se anua brass ne toso mienu mu ba be ye adwuma na mo so metua mo to abroni kan se income taxes ama aban inti 6 billion ye se aban ato atwene o na nka obenya ho mfaso na so 22 billion ye fa ne say ye car wabo a ontimi nti wo bebia ye bisa ye ho say ana say ene etna se edibu oman edi run company ana company ba ko pe o ya bo ho ka 22 billion ye to so me say 22 billion ni
eni Ghana fo bi ye evils and principalities ya Dr. Bawumia Campaign na obi nti ase this is pure evil hwese wo ka kira me say Bank of Ghana esika wo a gold board no e bo ka sei enketimi fa nurses ketimi fa teachers ono ba bra asare me shemi nua wa sorry a owie nursing training 2020 oda so tifie Ye were 2018 form da sugufie. Ye were 2019 form da sugufie. Honorable Brown asare. I was so co-opposition when you common sense. Common sense. And now what catch ya say? A kamesi for ye timi famu. Sika e ba NPP futuo mu no. Kenu kwase nurse ni bia wie school tifie. E kenu kwase teacher ni bia wie school tifie. E kwase ke hu massive infrastructure. E ke kwase hu industries. Kenya say mo kwana mo kwafa ankore e de ayi SCC wiemu a mo se ayi one district one factory. E ke wase ke hu massive transformation e wo Ghana ha say. And now what work at a nurse for teacher for Ghana for to say more kasa, but almost say more ye de and foot true, almost a mood to foot true, more ye de go or masum. Ghana for to say more kasa because you lack that moral right, that audacity. So be catch Ghana and say God board, what the God board, Kwamusa Sammy Gyamfi him, so a more ka. But in Senka God board umpo said ya wo can umpo Senka cano crown home pa and can de faswa Ghana. God for all your aircon dollar about say, full about say. Your forex say na mujaye. And the Bank of Ghana na woka say IMF say. Doctor na establish mu use ni say TV remote. The constitutional mandate as a governor of Bank of Ghana of violate ye chesika de mamu. Ya wamra ya Bank of Ghana di ye juma say every year bia obe printed sika e bia support aban no budget ya say this year say budget e 100 billion na next year say bank BOG e print sika enu kwa say e bro this year budget 5% but no otimi twa 70% no otimi twa 50% e wo bra enko parliament. So we be trying to 5%. And was our call parliament for negotiations for approval. But now we pay. Now we pay. We print this come inflation every 54%. That time just a year. Yeah, now we trust 2021. Sika said you try 35 billion. Ken Ofori Atta, we a member of parliament. Ken Ofori Atta numa we a member of parliament. Unim the procedure, unim rules and regulations. What catch that will boss say? Sikana wama and establishing airprint and yanko parliament. Ekwaji approval. Ken Ofori Atta na enimu na juma. And only the agreed in the bonnet because no one to move possess or bury a man bonnet was so a man sika. I could go about train word Johnny. Who honorable Brown Sassari. Now you're deputy minister, we a member of parliament. Finance committee, what that so? Oh, Sakate Ken Ofori Atta said, boss, these are the rules, these are the procedure. Yanko parliament will be justified and defend it. Illegalities would done Ghana constitution and Nibutuye. Now the Ghana constitution, Ghana laws, now the year day. And there you are talking about Bank of Ghana, Aboka, na some man can. Some NPP for ya nano for receive wa. Modi Ghana for go misdream kwasumu falasi for modi Ghana for eko misdream man can. Monka 2022 Bank of Ghana Chesika 42 billion. I'm 5%. Honorable Brown Sassari, then I'll carry farm. The same 2022. Now you taxes for Ghana. Now we introduce new taxes. Now we increase existed levies in taxes for Ghana. Now we increase CB. 2022 no. Now Bank of Ghana Chesika 42 billion. Now you exports. Ya revenue mobilization, ya jimani broso. Ni mu Bank of Ghana said Chesika 42 billion. That same year, Bank of Ghana losses was over 60.8 billion Ghana cedis. The audacity. Just a year. 2022. That same year, Mukoji Koko loan. Mukoji loans. Bilateral loan, cocoa loan, we introduce levy, we introduce enema. Bank of Ghana bought 60 billion. Honorable Brown Sassari. And now, who defended the entire Bank of Ghana. Now was said, almost printed Sika 2022, just 2 years, close to 80 billion. At the Echiscan, almost tried the mamu because the Ghana Bank of Ghana, na muntia contractors, Sika, na nurse for Gufie, na teachers Gufie, na be Bianco so Ghana say, na quite phone any Panam so Ghana. Even textbooks, textbooks for 3 years. Basic textbooks to Korano, mighty me and printed and family school for Kora. But just 2 years, 2021, 2022, they are printed close to 80 billion at the Amamu. A loan the piece at the taxes. Exporting yema, imported by the Mudinia, no more canning in album, no much. And then today, when I do the nursing home. Sammy Gyamfi responded, Momo Mammy. Momo Sammy Gyamfi, and I'm coming.
We helped in generating over $10.8 billion in foreign exchange earnings, US dollars, you know, $10.8 billion US dollars in foreign exchange earnings from the purchase and export of artisanal small-scale mining gold alone. And that helped the Bank of Ghana to intermediate about $10.6 billion dollars, you know, for the markets. This brought about FX market stability. It helped the currency appreciate by over 41%, something we've not seen in decades. Reserves, gross international reserves, increased from $8.9 billion to $13.8 billion by December 2025. That is a nominal increase of about $4.8 billion in 1 year.
Imports cover.
Almost 5.7 months, okay? In 1 year, a nominal increase of $4.8 billion, when in 8 years, the previous government only increased it by $4.1 billion. We increased it by $4.8 billion.
Adinyankopo. Ejuma, I was on Komuya in 2022, no. So 2025, no way, we are doing a see. Forex, amudi 8 years, enya 4 billion, or the just a year. For gold board, just a year. Or say 8 years, Forex, NPP, enya 4 billion, almost just a year. Say no me super incompetent pa. Edentimu say your friend say mate for pa na 2016 mu dada ya sa no mate for pa. We have the men, say mate for kwa. Mate for kwa, o di si anama no nenenam gatem no okokum nipa. Sa na mo ye. We have the men, we got the men, we have the men. Mate for munim si akura mu so. Ene ye do o my mom. Ejuma mu di 8 years ya. Munya best 4 billion no work just a year. Bank of Ghana target your friend say IMF target almost set you on the Maya also a meeting 2028 no or meeting 2025. God board go NPP NPP for empire wo mo bonyina ya de ba ko gold board scandal kesiensi ho scandal kesiensi gold board na gold board animu ngu ase mo ndwene Ghana for ho. So we dwene Ghana ni hu abena was asare minority leader wo beda nyame ase ama Ghana. So President Mahamadu opposition no was such policy initiative or the ababe savage situation na Ghana for them because na ye ni ani da so se be ye na ye ni ani da so bia se ebefa na ye ni mu se dollar eba be du be se 30 Ghana cedis. Enkabana we anke nene nam hono mi enka fu we yade boy Donald Trump government enka fu we aye kabana nke tofu we say nke apake ye kan enka ntibi baby abepe bass abefa ya no pa de enka ba befa yen because 2022 mi say na me de trotro na kwa adwuma me pake me car obi a mitimi tofu we be say 150 twa week no afi na me tofu we 600 akatu akoro ye and one etua fees and one ehwe maame and one ehwe papa and one etua bibi afi na ababa wate se me na ma pake me car na me fa trotro kwa adwuma sa ada unam poto trotro mo 2022 ekwan ne damu say ya obi a pake ne car e fo trotro. That's the situation mo de Ghana for famu. But enne obi abe savage situation na eye mo ya ensei na mo mra power ada say wo ye man bofo wo ye ni pa boni ni ondwene Ghana ni ho because the wodi ewura mu no a wo beto milk Kesia 4 cities. O kone 25 Ghana cities. And why you turn 40 cities near the wo kone be 200, 180. O per se. Adiana wo kone 25 no, enu 45. Adiana wo kone 180 na yesu no, enu 400. Wo ye mambofo, wo ye nipa boni ni. Na sadwum boni we de man we better opposition ache o. Sadwum boni we se mo ahwe yi a, mo de better opposition ache. Was Gordon, my last video yi afenyo market, was NPP for here paibo. Enye paibo na mu hi adwen satra. Mu hi adwen satra. He, wo de yefan say gold board kra Bank of Ghana kra true gold board adwuma kra no. Gold Bank of Ghana boka. Which is not even the case because Sabi Gyamfi achirem wa chirem but deliberate o ma sheda o mu pe bibia aka agugu gold board hu fi wa chirem wo de yefan say gold board kra boka. Am Bank of Ghana boka. Bank of Ghana boka no yenya from last year ba don't let me koya drop ye could do 9 cities. Ni ye hunu bi be said about 2020 mu woni hu bi ni ye hunu bi ache e ba ya be do 9 cities. Fu well esote ya be do just a year na mi gira nya Donald Trump and aworo me ya wono sasabon so abeso e wiase nipa so a enya Donald Trump ni e tofu well later 9 cities 10 cities 9 cities 10 cities. Inflation drop here by single digit and first time but inflation now you can inflation about 2.5%, 3%, near Togo, near Benin, near Burkina. But you can Ghana there inflation 54%. One more corner, now inflation and baby.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.